Chat. We are here in Ghana, baby. Let's turn up today, Ghana. Ghana, get me right, bro. Ghana, turn me up. I want y'all boys to turn me up. I know I'm not in the city right now, but I'm about to be in the city, like, in a few. You feel me? I'm gonna be in a boat, you feel me? I'm gonna fly on a helicopter. On some John Wick. I'm excited though, bro. I'm really excited, bro. I'm back home, bro. Ain't a better feeling when you know your ancestors were there. You know? Then you streaming too.
Yeah, man, Samu Rabbit, yeah. 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 Yeah, man, Samu Rabbit, yeah.
Hello, this one the problem no deal. As you all see, the most healthiest and strongest 21-year-old biggest streamer in the whole world, iShowSpeed, is in Ghana, and it's all good. It's all good. As senior man enter Kotoka International Airport, he made his way straight to the eastern region at the Asinenema waterfalls. Say he dey go have some massage, make them mia in body. So after they just press in body finish, man honem na ha. Onya ahondia man ho si no so no. Senior man has made his way back to Accra at the Independence Square, and this is where he meets some of the prolific content creators we have in this country, like Wode, Chef Abi. They are also the Dadabis who brought in their father's supercars to show iShowSpeed say Ghana, maybe some forests with some lions and hippopotamus here. No, we have what it takes. We have some rich people out here who they make some billions, who they see some cash on the daily. So Charlie, if you don't know, iShowSpeed is currently in Ghana as part of his 20-country African tour, and is generating a lot of buzz already. As they so cinema they come engage in one of various activities like street football, boxing with local fighters, and exploring the nightlife in Accra. He's also going to visit iconic spots like the Accra Art Center, Cape Coast Castle, and the Shai Hills for quad biking. This tour is expected to boost Ghana's tourism industry. Yes, Charlie, which is already a significant contributor to the country's economy, generating over 4.8 billion in revenue in 2024 alone. Oh, Charlie, alone. The exposure from iShowSpeed's massive global following could attract more visitors, create jobs, and increase revenue for local businesses. So somebody there here where they see the significant value of why iShowSpeed dey Ghana and why some people they follow left, right, and center. Charlie, some potential benefits of his visit include cultural exchange, economic growth and promotion of local talent. It is iShowSpeed dey Ghana so man be who need to say they be or how what is even doing here, Charlie? If you learn, if you do your research and things before you come out to say anything. So Charlie, the video and the cam highlights give you some of the activities where they go on in iShowSpeed visit in Ghana. So Charlie, enjoy. This is 22 miles out. If you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to put the bell on post notification. Peace out.
For the naming ceremony, you have to change your shoes, man. So you're gonna have to put this one. It represents royalty. Yep.
I gotta change my shoes?
Get your shoes. Yep.
Chat, is this true?
Royalty, man. 100%. Because you are here to meet a chief of the land. And you have to respect the land. That's it.
Alright.
Thank you. Then come with me. Wow. This is Ghana!
This is Ghana!
Yeah. Hold on. They have to put this. Oh, hold on. Put this around your waist.
My waist?
Yeah.
Waist.
And you have to take off the shirt.
Your waist.
I gotta take off my shirt?
Yeah.
Chat, is that true?
Yeah. I'll hold it for you. When you're done, it just.
Chat, we are here in Ghana, baby. Let's turn up today, Ghana. Ghana, get me right, bro. Ghana, turn me up. I want y'all boys to turn me up. I know I'm not in the city right now, but I'm about to be in the city, like, in a few. You feel me? I'm gonna be in a boat, you feel me? I'm gonna fly on a helicopter. On some John Wick. I'm excited though, bro. I'm really excited, bro. I'm back home, bro. Ain't a better feeling when you know your ancestors were there. You know? Then you streaming too. So that makes it even better. So let's get right, bro. I do got family that was Ghanaian. My mother's actually Ghanaian on my mom's side. So chat, it's excited to stream here. Hey, ladies.
Everything nice.
Yeah, everything nice.
Nice one.
I ain't confident.
You want to know? Hey, I said if I ain't confident.
Nah, but the west side.
West side.
West side.
Orokodo. Dominati.
I found somebody.
I'm gonna miss Africa, bro. I'm gonna get a house here, though. I'm gonna get a house here. I gotta get a crib here, bro. I have to. I think it's smart to get one too, because if you get a house here now, the prices are only going to go up. It'll be a good asset to own. Chat, what's my Ghanaian name? Hometown of Rudy? Nah, chat, Rudy Village.
Zombies. Yeah. I'm big, I know. I'm big.
All of them dead when samurai go. All of them dead, all
of them dead.
me on the beat,
All of them
so
dead.
it's a
When the
banger.
samurai come, come. All of them dead. Ah, boy, the whole of them dead. All of them dead. Touch the road, taxi mode, flight mode, and still me never touch down. Ah, boy, never flex like none of them clown.
Yeah, we will drive this one. Who done that? That ain't Sam. Different one? Nah, we mean that. You don't change the woman. Go back small.
We are here. We are here in God. 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 No. Everybody in the chat, spin up the W's in the chat right now, bro. Everybody in the chat, spin up the W's in the chat right now, bro. Everybody in the chat, spin up the W's in the stream. We are here in Ghana. Today is that day. Today is practically the grand finale. Today is practically the grand finale. We made it to Ghana, chat. Today we got a long